Lemon verbena, Aloysia citrodora, is a lemon-scented herb that has been treasured for centuries for its refreshing aroma, soothing flavor, and remarkable healing properties. Native to South America but cultivated worldwide, lemon verbena is used in teas, tinctures, essential oils, and supplements. Beyond its delightful fragrance, this herb contains a wide range of bioactive compounds, such as citral, verbascicide, and flavonoids, that contribute to its many therapeutic effects. From improving digestion to reducing inflammation and enhancing mood, lemon verbena is a powerful natural ally for overall wellness. Here we explore the top 10 health benefits of this versatile herb. Number 1. Supports digestive health. Lemon verbena has a long-standing reputation as a natural digestive aid, helping to soothe and balance the gastrointestinal system. Its mild antispasmodic properties can relax the muscles of the digestive tract, easing cramping, bloating, and discomfort after meals. The herb also promotes the secretion of digestive enzymes, which supports nutrient absorption and helps prevent indigestion. Many people find that a warm cup of lemon verbena tea after eating not only refreshes the palate but also prevents heaviness or gas. Unlike stronger herbal laxatives or pharmaceutical options, lemon verbena is gentle enough for regular use and promotes healthy digestion without irritation. Number 2. Reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most valued benefits of lemon verbena is its ability to calm the mind and ease anxiety. The herb's pleasant citrus aroma and bioactive compounds like citral can influence the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls emotions, helping to reduce tension and promote relaxation. Regular consumption of lemon verbena tea or inhaling its essential oil can lower cortisol levels, reduce stress-induced inflammation, and encourage emotional balance. For individuals who experience mild anxiety or nervousness, lemon verbena offers a natural, non-addictive way to find relief without the side effects associated with sedatives or antidepressants. Number 3. Promotes better sleep. If you struggle with insomnia or restless nights, lemon verbena can be a gentle and effective sleep aid. Its natural sedative properties calm the nervous system, slow down overactive thoughts, and prepare the body for rest. The herb contains compounds that interact with the body's neurotransmitters, promoting relaxation and reducing sleep latency, the time it takes to fall asleep. A warm cup of lemon verbena tea before bed can help you unwind, while its lack of caffeine ensures uninterrupted, restorative rest. Compared to synthetic sleep aids, lemon verbena offers a safer and more sustainable approach to improving sleep quality and maintaining a healthy sleep cycle. Number 4. Supports weight management. Lemon verbena has gained attention in recent years for its potential role in supporting healthy weight management. Research indicates that the herb's antioxidant compounds can improve fat metabolism, reduce oxidative stress, and help maintain lean muscle mass when combined with exercise. Additionally, lemon verbena tea serves as a refreshing, low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks, satisfying cravings for something flavorful without adding extra calories. Its mild diuretic properties can also help reduce water retention, contributing to a feeling of lightness and reduced bloating. By supporting overall metabolic health, lemon verbena helps the body maintain a balanced and energized state during weight loss efforts. Number 5. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a leading factor in many modern diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions. Lemon verbena's potent anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly verbascicide and luteolin, help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Studies have shown that the herb can alleviate muscle soreness and joint pain, making it popular among athletes and individuals with arthritis. Its combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects helps prevent cellular damage while promoting faster recovery from physical exertion or injury. Over time, regular use of lemon verbena tea or extract can contribute to reduced chronic inflammation and improved overall vitality. Number 6. Strengthens the immune system. Lemon verbena's high antioxidant content makes it a powerful immune system booster. Its compounds protect white blood cells from oxidative damage, allowing them to function more effectively in defending against infections. The herb's antimicrobial and antiviral properties help ward off common illnesses such as colds, sore throats, and respiratory infections. Drinking lemon verbena tea during flu season can soothe the throat, reduce congestion, and speed up recovery. Furthermore, the natural vitamin C present in the plant supports the production of antibodies and enhances overall immune resilience. By promoting balance and defense within the body, lemon verbena acts as a natural shield against everyday pathogens. Number 7. Promotes healthy skin. Lemon verbena's skin benefits stem largely from its ability to fight oxidative stress and inflammation, the two primary causes of premature aging. Its antioxidant compounds help neutralize free radicals that lead to wrinkles, dryness, and uneven skin tone. The herb's anti-inflammatory effects can also soothe redness, irritation, and conditions like acne or eczema. When consumed regularly, lemon verbena supports internal detoxification by aiding the liver and kidneys, helping to flush out toxins that often manifest as skin blemishes. Topical products infused with lemon verbena essential oil can further refresh and tone the skin, leaving it smooth, hydrated, and radiant. Number 8. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Although lemon verbena has relaxing properties, it also possesses an invigorating quality that helps fight fatigue and restore energy. Unlike caffeine, which can lead to nervousness and energy crashes, lemon verbena enhances alertness by supporting healthy circulation and reducing oxidative stress in cells. Its refreshing aroma and light flavor can stimulate the senses, providing a natural boost without overstimulating the nervous system. Studies have also found that lemon verbena helps protect muscles from oxidative damage caused by exercise, improving endurance and reducing soreness. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals seeking sustained, balanced energy throughout the day without dependence on stimulants. Number 9. Supports hormonal balance. Lemon verbena has been traditionally used to support hormonal balance, particularly in women experiencing menstrual or menopausal symptoms. Its phytochemicals can help modulate the endocrine system, reducing hormonal fluctuations that lead to mood swings, cramps, and fatigue. The herb's natural calming effect helps ease irritability and tension associated with premenstrual syndrome, PMS, while its anti-inflammatory properties can alleviate discomfort during menstruation. Additionally, lemon verbena may help balance cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, supporting overall hormonal harmony. By promoting equilibrium within the body's internal systems, lemon verbena provides a gentle, holistic approach to maintaining hormonal well-being. Number 10. Enhances cognitive function. Lemon verbena's protective effects extend to the brain, where its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds support healthy cognitive function. The herb helps combat oxidative stress in neural tissues, preserving memory and focus as we age. Research suggests that lemon verbena's compounds can protect neurons from degeneration, potentially reducing the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Its mild relaxing properties also help reduce mental fatigue, allowing for improved clarity and concentration. Regular consumption of lemon verbena tea may enhance alertness while simultaneously reducing stress-related brain fog, making it an excellent herbal aid for both students and professionals. Lemon verbena is far more than just a fragrant herb, it's a versatile and powerful natural remedy that supports both physical and emotional well-being. Its broad spectrum of benefits, from aiding digestion and promoting restful sleep to strengthening the immune system and improving skin health, makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Regularly incorporating lemon verbena tea or extracts into your diet can help balance the body, reduce stress, and enhance overall vitality. However, like all herbs, it should be used mindfully. Individuals with sensitive stomachs or kidney conditions should consume it in moderation, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare professional before regular use. While side effects are rare, choosing organic, high-quality sources ensures safety and potency. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.